Okay, welcome back everyone. So today we're going to learn how to multiply and divide algebraic fractions. And by the end of this video, hopefully you should have a bit of a better understanding how to do this. So let's start off with this question. 2 on a multiplied by a plus 2 on 4. So let's give this a go. So to multiply fractions, all you need to do is numerator times numerator, so the top times the top. So let's just write that out as brackets. So we basically have 2 multiplied by a plus 2 for the top, and denominator times denominator, so a times 4, which is 4a. So we could actually simplify this because we've got a 2 here and a 4 here. So 2 goes into both of them, into that once and into that twice. So my numerator is just a plus 2 and my denominator is 2a. And that's as far as we could go. So well done if you got that correct. Let's give you another one very similar and see if you could do this. So suppose the question is 6 on a multiplied by a plus 1 on 12. So pause the video, give this a bit of a go, use the same method that we just went through and see how you go. See if you can type in your answers in the comment section, and we'll go through it in a second. So welcome back, hopefully you gave that a bit of a go. So let's do this. So you're going to do numerator times numerator, so it's going to be 6 times a plus 1 and denominator times denominator, which is 12a. And the 6 and the 12 can simplify because 6 goes into both of them, into that once, into that twice. So my numerator stays as a plus 1 and my denominator now is 2a. So good work if you got that, or if you understood what's going on there. What we'll do next is some division. So let's give that a go. Okay, so suppose the question is 2x take 4 divided by 3 or over 3, and that all divided by x minus 2 on 6. So what we have to do here in order to divide fractions is you flip this second fraction around and that changes to a times. So if you flip your second fraction, you can change that symbol to a times. So we're left with 2x minus 4 on 3. We're going to flip that second fraction around, so this is a times, and then this is now 6 on x minus 2. And we've just learned how to do this to multiply fractions. You just do the numerator times the numerator, so the top times the top. So basically these two multiplied by together. So let's leave 6 outside brackets, and you've got 2x minus 4 in the bracket over the denominator times the denominator, these two multiplied by together. So 3 brackets x minus 2. Well, we can see the 6 and the 3 can simplify to just 2. And so we're left with 2 brackets 2x minus 4 on x minus 2. So we could go one step further because we could simplify this, right? Because 2 is common to both of this. So we could take out 2 as a factor, and that 2 would multiply with this 2. So that would mean that we now have 4 outside the bracket because we're taking out 2 and it's going to multiply by the 2 that's already outside. And so in the bracket, you're left with x minus 2. And on the denominator, we have x minus 2. And would you look at that? You have x minus 2 on the top, x minus 2 on the bottom. They could actually cancel. And so you're actually just left with 4 as the solution for this. So hopefully that's making sense. Let's do one more. I'm going to give you one more to do, which is very similar, and you're going to give that a go. So, say I have 3x take 12 all over 2 divided by x minus 4 on 4. So, do you want to pause the video, give this a bit of a go? Remember, you're going to flip this fraction around and change that to a times, and then you could do numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you've given this a go. Let's check your answer. So this still stays 3x take 12 on 2. We're going to multiply, we're going to change the symbol to a times and flip the second fraction around. You have 4 on x minus 4. Okay, then we're just going to do top times top. So 4, 3x minus 12 over bottom times bottom. So 2x minus 4. The 4 and the 2 can simplify to just 2. So you're left with 3x minus 12 on x minus 4. And 3x and 12, 3 is actually common to both of these. So we could take out that 3. So we're just going to write this step by step. So we've taken out that 3. If we divide 3x minus 12 divided by 3, you're left with x take 4. And on the bottom, you still have x take 4. So remember, that's just a time. So you have 2 times 3, which is 6. And this x minus 4's would cancel. So you're just left with 6. So good work if you got that, or if you followed that through. Hopefully that's all making sense. If you've got any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section. And make sure you hit subscribe and like and all that good stuff so you never miss another maths video. I also just want to thank you for spending your time on social media, improving yourself, educating yourself, and learning some maths. It's good. Hopefully you're finding this helpful and you're learning, you're feeling better. That's what I want, that's what I'm here for, and it's great that you're taking the time to do that. So well done. See you next time.